Hey!
I'm gonna run my private parts on the microwave!
Welcome back to Puppet Review Stuff. Now today, we're going to be taking a look at the brand new SMG4 video, Mario's Inside Story. I'm so sorry guys, this video is so late, and the only reason I haven't been doing much SMG4 videos is only because of Steven Universe Future, and that just took up most of my time on Saturdays, and just editing the videos. Like, you have no idea how long it takes to edit those videos. For some people, it might be easier, but for me, it's a little bit of a toughie. So, that's the only reason why SMG4 videos have not been coming out that often. But now I'm back on schedule. I'm gonna try to get back to the other videos I've missed, like Mario closes his penis door or whatever it was called, and Mario you know, doesn't pay his taxes or something like that. I'm gonna try to get to those two videos next week, and also try to react to the new episode that comes out Saturday. So yeah, I'm trying to get back on track for you guys, because I have nothing better to do, because I'm kind of stuck at home. Yeah, and it's kind of funny to think about it. Like, all I want to do is basically stay at home, watch TV, and play video games. That's all I want to do. But when I'm forced to do this, I don't like it anymore. I kind of want to go to the movies, you know, I can't go to my favorite, like, I can't get donuts or, like, go to my favorite cake shop. I can't do that anymore. I can't. Or really go to restaurants. I mean, I still go to get takeout still. I mean, yeah, that's kind of dangerous, but I still get that, and don't just excuse the fact that I'm a puppet and I eat. Don't even think about that at this point. But yeah, I mean, it's fine. I mean, I'm enjoying myself. I'm catching up a whole bunch of shows I've just, like, have not watched at all, and been able to make videos. Maybe not as many videos as I should be during this time of, like, peace. Well, not peace, what am I trying to say? This time of just, like, me doing nothing. I'm still only making 2 regular videos a week and just doing reaction videos. I kind of want to do 3 videos, but that's still kind of... I'm having a lot of editing problems with my software, and I'm probably going to try to buy a brand new editing software. I don't use iMovie, I'm just saying that straight up. I use, like, WeVideo, and so far the system has not been, like, that great, and I just want to get a brand new, like, editing software. I just need to find it, but I'm just so used to WeVideo that I just, I don't know what to do. But anyways, guys, let's just go ahead and, start this reaction. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
I'm lightheaded.
Oh, okay. Oh, what's happening on in here? Are we having sexy time or something? No, probably not.
It's a masterpiece.
Well, what's a masterpiece? Oh, you call that a masterpiece? Well, there goes the masterpiece. Okay.
Oh no!
Are you sure there's actually something wrong with him, other than usual?
+1, you're seeing a doctor.
Right. Huh? Whoa, Jesus Christ, what is wrong with him? Is he dead? Oh.
Time to take a pic.
Wait, did you eat poop? Hey, goddamn, that's a lot of toilet paper. What the? What? Oh, you didn't eat that. Actually, he probably did. Luigi, why are you watching him take a poop? Well, he's dead.
God damn it. Of course. Wait here a minute.
Where are you going? Good. What are you trying to look for?
Now, who won't mess this one up? Oh.
Are you looking at those tits, huh? Okay, that's a little bit aggressive.
Go, go, go! Help me!
Because I need a hard-ass punk.
But still, why her?
And I need someone who knows Mario very well.
I don't think he knows his stomach, though.
Alright.
Why is he even in there? What the frick? So you just have like a shrink ray just lying around?
Oh no!
That turns people into pills? Huh, that's kind of weird. Well, that's a nice way to treat your elders.
Are you ready to go inside Mario?
I kind of don't want to go in there. He's probably not going to do that.
You'll be fine.
Those eyes. The mouth, clearly. Yeah, where did we go? Where's the problem? You have no idea and you did this already? Ooh, we're not even going there with a plan at all? Why is this all intense? Just put it in his goddamn mouth already. He's still in there. They'd have to, you know, have all that in there.
Let's go.
Oh, here we go. Oh. So, this is his stomach, huh? And it's full of spaghetti. Why am I not surprised? Well, no shit.
Oh no.
Yeah, why would you even eat the plates?
Did you say anything weird in there?
I mean, there's a whole bunch of spaghetti plates. And that. Jesus. What is that? Ooh. There it is. The demon spaghettis. Oh shit, something's happening. Oh, dear God, Jesus.
Guys, what's happening in there?
Something bad. What is that?
Oh no.
Why does it look like Mario? Okay, I don't think Luigi's gonna fix anything. Yeah. It's like the Shadow Mario, but isn't that just Bowser Jr.?
Suck my ass.
Oh my God. That must hurt. Oh no, everything's sinking. This is not good. You guys better get to the high ground. You're gonna end up like Anakin. Oh, there he goes. Where are we planning? I don't think spaghetti is supposed to work like that, and I highly doubt it's gonna... Oh, okay, it works perfectly fine. Okay. Oh. I don't think that's how logic works, but whatever. Where are they now?
Go, Luigi.
What? What the hell?
A stranger from the outside.
I knew they were gonna do that. This probably would be hell for, well, me and personally. So there's little Marios and Mario? That's kind of weird.
Mamma mia. Oh.
Good. Whoa, 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 hey now. That's a little bit much, don't you think?
Oh. Wow. Let's go.
I'm already afraid that you just saved it. You are worthless. You are trash, Luigi. Let's just leave him. No one cares about Luigi. Ooh, better hurry. There's even houses in Mario's body? Huh, wow. What's your plan after this? You locked yourself inside? I mean, where else are you supposed to go? Why are you just standing there? Do something! Huh.
Yo, man, what's up?
Oh, it's just like, oh, wow, there he goes. Probably not. I mean, look at that. Do you think he's okay? Why do you have that on your phone? You do like looking at your brother naked? 'Cause that's kind of gay.
Praise Jesus!
Wow, they turned to be nice.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Well, they keep saying follow, so I think they do want us to follow. I mean, that sounds logical. There's even cars in his body. in his... Is that his heart? Like a mustache on it?
Ooh.
And there are even... You know what? I'm not going to question anything anymore. Everything's a Mario.
Kill me! I'm in constant pain!
Is there a golden statue Mario in his body? What the hell? And you couldn't even make a, you know, a nicer statue?
Wow. Uchi-gochi.
That's kind of weird. I wouldn't say that's cute. It's on me.
Oh yeah. Go Luigi.
What? Why are you bowing to him? He's the guy who tries to sell you. Oh, right. We are looking for that, aren't we? Yeah, I bet you they've just been worshiping the statue all day. What are you whispering right there? I can whisper too, you know. Why are you jumping so high? How they teleport up there? Oh, what? Yeah, I'm kind of confused now. What is this going to achieve? Oh, okay.
Okay. Excellent. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm confused too. I don't know why you even, like, came along.
See you next time.
Wow.
I guess we're into the final boss, huh?
Uchi-gochi.
Or maybe not yet. Is that his brain? Really? God damn, that's tiny. I kind of expect it to be smaller.
I'm gonna run my private parts on the microwave.
I don't think that's a good idea. His brain is smoking. That's kind of funny.
Yeah, you want one?
What? It's Black Mario. Time for the boss battle. This time around. Oh, is he having an orgasm or something? Yeah, that's pretty big orgasm. Oh, are we all screaming now? Ah! Okay, there's my scream. Oh, anime fights. Ah, that didn't do shit. Oh! You could try to punch him again. That could work. Would you just... What can Mario's brain even do? Why are you including this old man in the deal? Oh, okay, the brain's about to have a fight, huh? Oh! Oh, okay. One-shot kill. Oh, okay, that's a little overkill, don't you think? Oh, wow. Oh, and that? Wow, this brain's actually pretty useful. When it comes to a fight, at least. Then what was all this for? The brain could do that the entire time! There was no point to all this!
Hell yeah.
Whoa! I feel better
Really?
now.
Very good.
Okay.
Yeah, about that.
Wait, you have no idea how to get them out? Oh, well, that's a way out. Okay, right, guys. Anyways, guys, that's it. That's the new SMG4 video, Mario's Inside Story. This was fine. This was not amazing, but it was kind of entertaining. So, yeah. Inside of Mario lives a whole bunch of Marios with a whole town and cows and like a T-Rex dying in a pool, and his brain smokes weed, and there's a golden statue of Mario inside of his... Wow, there's a lot of questions I never wanted to be answered. Like, what is inside Mario? Never thought I wanted to see that, but apparently I did. And now I'm more, I think I lost some brain cells from watching that. But anyways, guys, that's really it for me. So comment down below what's the next SMG4 video you want me to go back to react to. I know a lot of you guys have been not wanting me to react to Mario gets his penis stuck on, or pingus stuck on the door or whatever. His dick, whatever. Anyways, guys, tell me down what you want me to react to. Well, anyways, that's it. So thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you all next time. Bye, everybody.